A happy face.
Happy. Happy, happy,
The
happy.
flower is yellow.
Yellow.
What is the adjective?
Yellow.
The flower, dalawa pala. The flower is yellow and pretty.
Yellow at saka pretty.
Okay. Verb is anong verb?
Action word.
Oh, very good. I walk in the garden. Oh, alin doon ang action word? Alin doon ang verb? I walk in the garden.
Walk.
Good.
Garden. A garden.
Alina plays
Garden.
her doll. Play her doll. Alin ang action word?
Play.
Alina and Anna walk in the park. What is the action word of this sentence? Ano? Alina and Anna walk in the park.
Walk.
The children play basketball.
Play.
She jumps high.
Jumps.
Rina read a book.
Read.
Very good. Alam mo na action word?
Opo!